What? We have a mermaid in the house?
I want a shark baby.
Hey, April.
Hey.
I'm gonna go jet surf.
Oh, fun.
Smell you later.
Have fun.
I haven't been out in a long time.
Yeah, you need that.
It's been weeks. Been a busy summer so far, so hold down the fort. There's a slight possibility we will be Skyping with Paola today. That's in the works, so be ready for that.
That's exciting. Good morning, you guys. I have a little surprise for you. We have all the Larsons here today. It's another cousin's party. We are watching 5 of the 7 Larson kids. And of course, all the kids just want to swim. So that is good news for me because that means I get to sit in here and be a lazy mom and just be a lifeguard. What? We have a mermaid in the house?
It's fake. Mom made it.
That's my mermaid tail.
I don't care.
Oh my gosh. Can I carry you to the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's cold. Luckily, while I was cleaning yesterday, I found a little mermaid tail from back in the day. Maybe it will fit her. Found it. There it is. The biggest problem with this though is that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little girls and only 2 mermaid tails. Found one, Evie.
That's tiny.
It's Evie size. Hey, you're a mermaid now.
Oh, there used to be like the baby tail.
Flap your mermaid tail. Let's see your fins, little mermaid.
Like this.
Wow, look at that pretty mermaid. Oh, Ariel. You want goggles now? You just want to be a big kid, don't you? Here's some goggles. How come this mermaid needs a floaty?
Because she's a baby and she doesn't get into the pool. When
She doesn't know how to flap yet?
I'm going my tail. She doesn't know how to bring her
To swim yet?
I have a mermaid fin.
Thought I was gonna get to relax. This is a lot of work dealing with all the mermaids. The wind finally died down, so I was able to pop that sucker up. It's much better now. Much better.
What?
I put on there.
You putting on a sticker? Evie has just been talking my ear off since I got home. I was gonna bring the GoPro, film a little jet surf action today, but totally forgot my SD card, so no jet surf action. Oh, we don't put stickers because then they're hard to get off. Put on your head.
No.
No? What's going on?
I'm crying.
You're being emotional about Moana.
Because a Moana song came on and I was like, this is a good show. And then I started thinking about it and I thought of the grandma that dies and I started crying. What's wrong with me?
It's okay, it's a good show.
Weird.
Yeah.
Okay, we're calling right now.
Very great. There we go. I hope that she's not scared to talk to us. Dance. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Say hi to our vlog. We got people. Say hi. the whole world's watching you right now.
This is Ender.
He's been
Say hi.
swimming.
This is Paola.
Say hi, Paola. Oh.
Don't worry. As soon as you get here, he is going to be always around you. He will be your little buddy.
Puppy. Parasite.
He's like a puppy.
Say I love ya. Yeah.
Evie's going to teach you how to speak really good English. She's going to be your English teacher. I have a question. Paola, will you babysit for us when you get here?
Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes.
Yes.
I just got done cutting the grass with EB and... Hey guys, where's April? Hey, what's going on? We gotta, don't lock people out. Where's April? She's what?
She's making the cocoa and also we're helping Mom out by cleaning every bit of the house that is messy. We're doing the kitchen and the basement last.
Oh, there she is. Busted. You're not
Sorry.
quilting, are you?
I started a project. Might be here for a few years. I'm having fun though.
And Amber, you support her project?
She's excited.
And we cleaned the bathroom, Ed's room, Evie's room, Pana's room. And now we're working on the toy room. Yeah.
Evie?
We cleaned.
Bet Evie could be your special helper.
No,
I bet that would be a disaster.
Like it?
Yeah, for Ender.
Ender, what do you think?
Is it for me? I like it.
No, not for
Wait.
you.
Do we? What? Why do we have that?
To cut the fabric so sharp.
Mom, it's like for me.
No, it's for Ender.
For Endo.
Yeah.
Is it for me?
I'll make you one next if this turns out.
Yeah! I want a shark baby. Wow.
Oh. Well, don't kick, like just air kick, not actual kick me.
She kicked you.
Evie, air kicks, air kicks. This is just a practice session. Daisy, what's going on out here? Hey, Ambree, hold on, hold on. Are you sure this is a good idea, Zade? What's the plan here?
We're just messing around and trying not to fall in.
Trolling, just trolling.
Alright, what if I wiggle it?
I will kill you.
Whoa, easy, buddy.
So Davey just told us today that we got letters from Paola a couple days ago.
Letter
We
from
have not
Paola.
heard. What's going on?
She just wrote a little note
Forgot to tell
each
everyone.
one of us. So I figured since we Skyped with her, I'm gonna read it. April, I love how you do your hair. So I hope you can help me with mine. I hope to learn also from you. I'm looking forward to spend time with you, go shopping, talk about our lives, teach you some Italian and Spanish, and share some cooking recipes. I love cooking even if I'm not very good at it. Okay? Davey, I've been enjoying so much looking at the videos where you do ski in the water. Oh, that's my jet surf.
She's gonna have to
I
try
will
that.
have to have her try that.
Yeah.
And also the motocross, all these crazy activities. I want to try them all. I'm not very sporty, but I love all these things. I hope to get something of this. One of the things they told me during preparation is that we will gain weight in the USA. I hope not. So I need to do some sport. I'll force myself to do it. Please encourage me, I'll need it. They warn the exchange students that they'll eat a lot.
Americans are so fat.
Americans eat. Okay, Zade, this is, imagine Paola's talking to you. Zade, my older brother. I have seen the good feeling you had with Roberta. I'm sure we can also be good friends. Of course, I will never try to substitute her, as she will always be an important part of your lives. But I'm good and sure we will enjoy our time together. I'm a bit shy at the beginning and my English is not very good. It's very easy for me to write than to speak. At the moment, all of you, I will learn fast. So it's up to you to teach her English.
Okay.
Okay,
Wasn't
Daisy.
Evie gonna teach her English?
Daisy, this is from Paola. Okay. Do you know that I also love animals? She's gonna like your bird.
You excited, Sky? Huh?
I have a wonderful white rabbit.
Ooh.
Can you bring it?
I will bring some pictures to show you.
Yay!
I already love your bird, Sky. I'm so happy that we're gonna be sisters. We will have a lot of time this year to talk and enjoy our time together. Okay, who's next? What?
I call Ambree.
Zade, Daisy, Ambree. Ambree. Okay.
You didn't really know?
Ambree. I like to play a lot, and I'm sure we'll enjoy a lot of playing together. I see that you all like to make pancakes. I love them. I hope you can teach me how to cook good pancakes when I'm there. Can you do that? I'm sure you're an expert at cooking. We'll have a lot of fun together. Okay, next is somebody that starts with an E. I can't remember.
Me.
Is it Evie? No, wait, who's next?
Me.
Oh, you're next?
Yeah.
Okay, Ender.
I didn't even notice you over there, bud.
You should have spoken up. You are a good singer. This is Paola saying this. Say thank you.
Don't tie things around your neck, sweetie.
It's a tie.
Oh.
I'm so bad at singing, so maybe you can teach me something. Maybe songs I can learn more English. I love music. My favorite groups are Coldplay, Maroon 5, and the singer Shawn Mendes. You can teach me other songs. E.B. Oh, now it's E.B.'s turn. We'll just read hers. She's just crazy. E.B., you are a puppy.
Oh, is that
E.B. the little one, you're a very good girl. I hope you will be happy to have a big Italian sister. She's says he's excited to come. Thank you, Paola. That was nice.
That was very sweet.
We want to share the whole experience with you guys of having an exchange student from start to finish, when we first picked them, to the Skypes, the interactions before they get here. There's a lot of fun things before they even get here.
I love that she wrote us letters already because I kind of, like our first exchange student, LaSalle, she wrote me a sweet letter before she left and I still have it. And I'll read it and I'm just
Very
like,
sweet letter.
it's so
It's a very
sweet.
nice thing to do.
I hope I get another one. I still have it.
Long time. That's an old letter.
Well, 6 years, yeah.